Hello, welcome to Foreign Languages Institute, Dilsukh Nagar, Hyderabad. I congratulate you that you have decided to learn French. So, in this session, we are going to learn the very basics of French. So, in this session, I'm going to give a basic introduction to French, how to read some basic expressions in French. Okay, for example, normally if we want to read any word in English, for example, how we read this one, normally we read this word in English like salute, right? So that is the way how we read it in English, but if it comes to French, we cannot read it in the same way like how we read it in French. So we have to follow the rules of French. So the first rule in French, you remember that whenever we write any word in French, we don't read the complete thing. Instead, we read only 70 to 80% of the word, and we don't read those endings. Mostly, like especially when the word ends with the consonants, we don't read the endings. So you make a rule in French that we don't read the endings mostly, especially if it is a consonant. So in this case, we don't read this word like salute. Instead, we read only till salut. Okay, salut. So salut in French we say like a hi. Salut. Okay, hi. So don't read it like salute. So salut. And you may get a doubt. I'm writing the same like English, and doesn't French have any special alphabet? Do we write the same like English and French? So this is French, not English. In French also we have the same alphabet, like how whatever the like English alphabet, the same alphabet in French also. But the way is how we read is different. If it is English, you read like English, you follow the rules of English. But when it comes to French, you read it like a French. What is the first rule I told you? So read only till 70 to 80% and don't read the endings. But while writing, we have to write the complete word, but while reading, you have to read only till 70 to 80%. The last one we don't read that, especially the consonants. Why it is like this? Okay, some students will ask why we read it like that and why we have to write the complete thing. There is no such particular rule kind of thing. It just like we have to learn it like that. So language is all about to learn and by heart. So there is no rule such kind like why we do it like that. So just follow the rule. So how we are reading this first word? We are reading like salut. Salut like hi. Salut, hi. Next one. So this we read like bonjour. Okay, bonjour. So normally this we read like bon, but here we say bon, and this is like jour. So bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour like good morning, like salut, hi, and bonjour like good morning. And bonjour you can say at any point of the day. In the morning, afternoon, evening, you are meeting a person for the first time and you are greeting, you can simply say bonjour. But normally if you are saying in the morning, it can be like bonjour, like a good morning. So salut, hi, bonjour, good morning. And next one, so this we read like bon après-midi, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. So here, as I told you, we read like bon, and this is like après. So here we are not reading this part, midi. So whenever there is vowel, we read that, but mostly if there is a consonant, we don't read that. So bon après-midi. But here, how I am reading this, bon après-midi, bon après-midi. So you listen that I am reading this N also. But here there is a rule. See here, bon, I am reading till here. Bo, as of only one word, this bo, I am reading till bo, I am not reading this. But if you see this word is ending with consonant and this word starting with vowel. So in that case, this N is pronounced in the second word. But I am reading it is like a continuation. You feel that I am reading this N here. So bon après-midi. But I am reading bon après-midi. I am reading that N here. This rule is only when the first word ends with consonant and the second word starts with vowel. In that case only you have to read that consonant in the second word. Okay, so bon après-midi. Bon après-midi like good afternoon. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Salut, hi. Bonjour, good morning. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. And bonsoir. Bonsoir. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonsoir. So whenever this OI combination will give the sound like va. So bonsoir. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir. And this is bon nuit. Bon nuit. Bon nuit like good night. Bon nuit. So here we are reading till here. So bon nuit. Okay, bon nuit. Bon nuit, good night. So salut, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, and bon nuit. And next expression, bonne journée. Bonne journée. So bon jour, that we learn here, journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée like have a nice day. Bonne journée, have a nice day. Bonne journée, have a nice day. Next one, bonne année. Bonne année. Bonne année like happy new year. Bonne année, happy new year. Bonne année, happy new year. And next one, bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Bon voyage like have a nice journey. Bon voyage, have a nice journey. And the next one, bon anniversary. Bon anniversary. Again you see the same thing like bon après-midi, ending with the consonant and starting with vowel. So this will be pronounced here. So bon anniversary. Bon anniversary like happy birthday. Bon anniversary, happy birthday. Bon anniversary, happy birthday. Generally, whenever this concept like ending with the consonant and starting with vowel, the consonant will be pronounced here. We call this concept called like liaison. So that you will come to know later. This concept is called liaison. Bon anniversary. Bon anniversary, happy birthday. The next expression, bon séjour. Bon séjour, like have a nice stay. Bon séjour, have a nice stay. Bon séjour. Bon séjour, have a nice stay. Okay, if you go to any country, if you go to any hotel, so the receptionist will tell you that, okay, have a nice stay in our place, in our country. So that is bon séjour. Bon séjour. Next one, bon appétit. Bon appétit. Again the same, ending with the consonant and starting with vowel. So bon appétit. Bon appétit, have a nice meal or enjoy your meal. Bon appétit. So these are all some of the expressions. Just revise once. Salut, hi. Bonjour, good morning. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne nuit, good night. Bonne journée, have a nice day. Bonne année, happy new year. Bon voyage, have a nice journey. Bon anniversary, happy birthday. Bon séjour, have a nice stay. Bon appétit, have a nice meal or enjoy your meal. Clear? Now we'll see some other expressions. For example, you're saying that salut or bonjour to someone. Okay, hi or good morning. But you don't know that name of the person. Then how do we say normally? If it is a male, we say hello sir, hello mister, or hello gentleman. If it is a lady, hello madam, hello miss, like this, right? So a person whose name you don't know, a male, we call like monsieur. Monsieur like mister. Monsieur, mister. If you want to say like hello sir, hello mister, we say bonjour monsieur or salut monsieur. Okay, bonjour monsieur. Hello mister, hello sir. Monsieur like mister. Then madame. Madame, madam. Monsieur, mister. Madame, madam. Okay. And if you want to like a young girl, then we say mademoiselle. Mademoiselle like a young girl. Mademoiselle. So monsieur, mister. Madame, madam. Mademoiselle, miss. Monsieur, mister. Madam, madam, mademoiselle, miss, like young girl. And you want to say like see you tomorrow, then we say deme, a deme, like see you tomorrow, a deme, see you tomorrow. And abiyanto, abiyanto, like see you soon, abiyanto, see you soon. Here you can see here some strophes, you can see this okay. And here we'll have here I keep one more strophe here. So these are all called actually strophes, so that you'll come to know later classes. As of now you just okay follow this. So ademe, like see you tomorrow, abiyanto, see you soon, abiyanto, see you soon. And aplutar, aplutar, like see you later, aplutar, see you later. Monsieur, Mr, Madame, Madam, Mademoiselle, Miss, a demain, like see you tomorrow, abiyanto, see you soon, aplutar, see you later. Okay, next one, if you want to say like please. So please we can say like s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means please, but this vous means like you formal. So you're talking to somebody like elder, you want to give the respect, then you say s'il vous plaît, please. But this is formal. Vous means literally you formal. In Telugu we say meeru. Okay, so s'il vous plaît like please, but formal. If it is informal, you're talking to your friend and you want to say please, then we say s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. So the like you informal. So s'il te plaît, please, but this is used for informal. So s'il vous plaît, please, and s'il te plaît is also please. But s'il vous plaît is used for formal and s'il te plaît is informal. S'il vous plaît and s'il te plaît. Monsieur, Madame, Mademoiselle, a demain, abiyanto, aplutar, s'il vous plaît, and s'il te plaît. Next, you want to say somebody thank you, then we say merci. Merci, thank you. Merci, thank you. And if we say or somebody says thank you, then what do we say? You are welcome. So the reply for merci will be the ria. Daria, you are welcome. So merci, thank you. Daria, you are welcome. Merci, thank you. Daria, you are welcome. And you want to say like excuse me. So excusez-moi, excusez-moi, excuse me. This is formal. Excusez-moi, like excuse me, formal. If it is informal, we say excuse-moi, excuse-moi, excuse me. So excusez-moi formal, excuse-moi informal. Both the meaning is same, excuse me. Excusez-moi formal, excuse-moi informal. Same, s'il vous plaît and s'il te plaît meaning is also same, like a please, but s'il vous plaît is formal and s'il te plaît is informal. So excusez-moi, excuse-moi both are same, excuse me, but excusez-moi is formal and excuse-moi is informal. Clear? And the same thing we can also use it by saying another expression like pardon. Pardon is also same like sorry or excuse me. Pardon, like in English we say pardon. So pardon, like pardon, sorry, excuse me. Okay. Another expression, désolé. Désolé means I'm sorry. Désolé, I'm sorry. Désolé, I'm sorry. You can also simply say sorry. But if you want to say, we have another expression, the same thing like je suis désolé. Je suis désolé, I'm sorry. Je suis means I am désolé, sorry. You can also say simply sorry, désolé. Or you can also say je suis désolé, I'm sorry. Je suis désolé or désolé, sorry. Clear? And finally, I want to say bye. Then we say au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir like bye. Or we simply say over also we say. Au revoir is also right and over is also right. So this is bye. Clear? So these are all the basic expressions that you have to know if you want to start a French language. So these are all the very basic expressions in French. Okay, first we'll just revise once all, but you have to remember the very basic rule in French that we don't read the complete word, so you have to skip the endings part. So just revise once all. Salut, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit, bonne journée, bonne année, bon voyage, bon anniversaire, bon séjour, bon appétit. Once again, salut, bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit, bonne journée, bonne année, bon voyage, bon anniversaire, bon séjour, bon appétit. Next, monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, à demain, à bientôt, à plus tard, s'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît, merci, de rien, excusez-moi, excuse-moi, pardon, désolé, je suis désolé, au revoir or au revoir. Clear? So these are all the basic expressions in French. Hope you have some knowledge how to say the basic expressions in French. Okay, we'll meet you in the next session. Till then, au revoir.